Guys, we're back. Yeah, here we go. Let's just go ahead and start it. I actually had some sweet tea a little bit ago, so I definitely don't need this. All right. Oh, man. Okay. What are we doing? Mostly just kind of screwing around, tidying things up. With this hatch, it doesn't have a tag light, so I put a tag light, mounted it to the tag. How about that? So got that wired up. I mean, whatever. So we have a tag light. We don't want to, get the authorities all in a tizzy because we don't have a tag light when we're driving something that, kind of attracts attention, or could. They may give me enough grief about the headlights and stuff. So anyway, we're just kind of screwing around, doing nitpicky stuff, but we still haven't started it. We ain't put discharge in. We haven't really worked on it. My motivation's been like, so, but anyway, so I'm gonna work on it a little bit. We'll film something when we're doing something exciting. Otherwise, it's just doing crap. So anyway, I guess now we'll see you guys in the next clip, right, Henry? So yeah, we're not really doing any great work.
Shop dogging. Henry's like me, he ain't about that heat. You hear me say your name, homie? What? There it is. Yay, taillight swap. I think it looks a lot better. There's a little tag light, so that'll be cool. Dang, somebody jake braking. And we just put that piece of aluminum in there to close the door. If I was smart, I would have kind of left some of the stuff to do the handle, but I'm an idiot, so we got that in there now to give it a tug, so make it a little easier on my life. Shot some plastic dip on our funnel. I had a can that I bought, I don't know how long ago. I bought it a long time ago, but I was like, hey, someone said, won't you plastic? I said, that's a good idea. So I had it, boom, make it black. We got the timing set. We gotta get the fan wired in. We got the timing set, make sure we have no leaks. Got it up to temperature. We need to go ahead and shut it down. Anyway, there we go. without the law getting involved. So it's been like, I don't know, a couple weeks or whatever. And in the first part of this video, I don't even remember what I was doing. I haven't looked back at it. So we were doing the hole for this, for the ram air deal, and we got that all figured out, how we're gonna do it. We got the nose and the doors on, and I didn't like it just with the regular LX front end. I personally didn't like it. So I put the old rubber Cervini's thing, but I did trim it up, and I trimmed up the factory one. So actually we only added about a pound. So that always bothered me, that I added weight to the nose of it with McNugget. So we added it on there, and then, you know, being all creative and stuff, we, you know, like one of the fiberglass outlaw type front ends, those nose pieces or lower spoilers, they're super expensive. I mean, by the time you ship them and pay for them and stuff, I mean, I like the look of it because it looks cool. To me, it looks race car-y. So, and I know you're not fast enough to have it. Yeah, I get it. So whatever, but it's my car, so I want it to look the way I want it to look. But I also like saving money or doing things cheap or using what I got. And so we made it look, for me, good enough. Now right here, we can take that out if we want for cooling. It did okay. I mean, it got just a hair over 180, just what I was doing. So, you know, and it stabilized. It didn't go any high. It wasn't going up, up, up. It just stayed right there. So, and it's you know, it's getting summertime, so it's Florida, so it's not cold or cool, not even cool. So we got that done. I've got a lot of plans. Well, we also put I wanted to put black burnt wheels on it because I did not like the polished wheels on it now at all. So, or whatever whatever the 5-star things are. So I had the rod lights were just sitting there, and the front tires are really good. So I just threw them on. They're black. That's all I care about. So we also mounted the 28s that I bought from Roger up on the 10-inch wheels. And next time we go to the track, we still haven't changed the clutch. Let's just get that out of the way. We haven't done that yet. But next time we're going to try the 28s. We got to get the clutch swap. I want to do the fuel system stuff. I've been kind of in a holding pattern. That's why I haven't really made any videos, because I don't really want to work on anything except for this right now. And I didn't really know what I wanted to do, where I wanted to go with it. I mean, just, yeah, race car, of course, that's me. I like it to be race car-y. I just didn't know what I wanted to do and trying to figure some stuff out. But I've set a course, and so that's kind of where we're going. And, you know, just, I guess got to get the work done. But I've been, you know, ordering some parts and things like that, or some stuff to try and do the fuel system. And then I got some other stuff I'm going to do, and you know, we'll talk about that you know, in another video. But we're going to the dyno. That's actually tomorrow, so I want to drive it, make sure that was going to fall off of it. Kevin offered to trailer it if I wanted to, so I don't know if we're going to do that or drive. I'm probably going to drive it. I like driving it. I mean, I like driving my stuff. So like I say, the clutch. So this whole thing of going to the dyno, I'm going just to hang out. They don't have a test and tune this weekend, so this, you know, David will be there, you know, Pirate will be there. This is a chance to see Eric. Everyone, we can all hang out and just, you know, screw around, dyno the cars, know whatever, you know, don't have to worry about anything at the track, or because we're not going to be able to go this weekend. So I guess I'm not really worried about. I never care what it makes on the dyno, but you guys can guess if you want to. What will it make? I don't know what it's going to make. I don't honestly care what it's going to make. It's the combos listed in the description, so whatever. But the clutch could not, you know, the clutch could just kill just kill the numbers on the dyno. So whatever. We'll see. But again, I don't care what it makes. I don't really have any idea what it make. I haven't been online like, what do these kind of combos make power wise? I don't know. Don't care. That's irrelevant to me. So it only matters what it runs at the track. That's all I care about.
don't care about it made 450 or it made 420 or it made 500. I don't care about any of that stuff. So I guess that's it. Oh, got a new GoPro mount, and hopefully got this GoPro mount. It's pretty snazzy. I hope the suction cup holds up, but I really like it's a ball, double ball, so it does all kind of, I really like it. So that was the first one. So maybe we won't have the chattering that we've been having with the case bumping the old one or whatever. So we'll know here in a few minutes when I download it. But anyway, that's it. You know, I'm okay. No health issues, no personal issues. Just I've been kind of a little unmotivated because I've kind of been a holding pattern, deciding on what I wanted to do. But now should be picking up a little bit, get some stuff done to the car. Got a lot of work to do. Get some stuff done to the car, and see where we're at when we can get it to the track. Start all over. So anyway, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, wouldn't want to, but especially thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos, 1 year turbo stick shift, Lincoln Town Cars, Ford drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, bartender, mechanic, janitor, plumber, and electrician, and bartender of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting a good fight against zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video.